Yes, you want to increase your Shopify sales. How do I know that? Am I a magician? Am I a mystic? No. It's just because I know that you're either one of these two people. You either, one, are already making sales on Shopify and want to increase the amount of products you're doing just to increase the amount of sales, or two, you've never had any sales on Shopify at all, maybe not even started Shopify, and you're actually looking to try and up your game to get more sales in. Any one of these people, I'll be able to help you with these 5 trending products for April 2021. Without further ado, I'm not going to waste your time today. Let's just get into it. Let's begin, and we're going to begin with this exclusive product. Exclusive. It's not really exclusive, but let me just make sure I'm recording. Yeah. Okay, so we're going to begin. Okay, so we're beginning right now with this exclusive product. Now, you're probably wondering, what is this product? And from the looks of things, you may notice that it's just an oven. Basically, it's a portable oven, a portable little frying pan which you can actually cook stuff on without needing the use of an actual gas cooker, an electric cooker, or anything else like that. And it costs just $71. Now, the brilliance behind this product is that all you need is to plug it in. And $71 cost, that means you could be able to sell this for a really good price for yourself as well. Plus, this is quite a hot product on the market as well. You can notice that there's not many orders on it, but obviously it's got a lot of good reviews. And it's one of these products that's not really saturated in the market. Now, there are a lot of these products that are really saturated in the market, but obviously you can do well with them. This one, fresh out the gate, not really saturated at all. And, you know, if you get a really good shipping supplier, which, by the way, if you click the link down below, we'll show you how to get really quick shipping times. Usually 3 to 5 days, sometimes 1 to 3 days. So, you know, click that link down below if you want that. Obviously, who doesn't want that, you know? Your customers want that, so make sure you get that as well. So this is the brilliance behind this one. Now, obviously, you've got a brilliant video as well. If you get rid of this little Japanese writing on it, you can use this brilliant video. So I'm going to turn the audio off because otherwise it's going to conflict. But yeah, you can go and look at this yourself. This is what it's called, Examo Midja induction cooker. Right, so you go click on it, and it's got this great video showing basically how it cooks it. And it comes with this little hob that you put on top. You can choose levels, you put some oil on it, plug it in, and get to go in. It comes with a variety of, I don't know why that it escaped my mouth in such a weird way, then that word, but it's got a variety of plug types. So Chinese plug types, US plug types, European plug types, UK plug types. So you can target all of these countries as well with these variants. And you get it in different colours. So, not different colours. You get the white thing, and then you get the pot as well. So the white sort of cooking top, then you get a pot to go on top of it as well. That's specifically designed for that. And this is what it looks like. That's just the one. That's just the one on its own. The induction cooker, as it's called, electric oven. And then you got this little pot on top of it as well. It just fits on perfectly. And also, you've got so many different little images that you can use. This is like just the go for images for dropshipping. This is the best. You don't need to take your own here. You can just use these. This is one of the reasons why I found that one. Also, stick to the end of this video because I'm revealing a high ticket dropshipping product which you can sell for a lot of money and make a lot of profit for. But we're not getting to that one yet. We'll get into this one. Okay. So this one, you may have seen this one, and what I'm about to say, a way that I've actually seen this advertised in the past is using TikTok influencers, where people have paid TikTok influencers to advertise this. Now, this really does well as it's like this super secret gadget thing, and you basically put it on a mirror while you're shaving. For men, you can target this more for men. Basically, you shave everything off. You might have seen this. It's cool. This is one of these ones that's quite saturated, but you know you can do well with this still. You put it on a mirror, and basically you can shave it, and because it's a low price as well, you could probably make a decent amount from this because you'll find the reason why I'm using these products today is that everyone can use these products. Literally everyone. Not everyone, but you can target a massive audience. I'm trying to get, with these products here that we're going to go through today, I'm trying to get you to be able to target any audience. You know what I mean? The cooking one, anyone has a home, anyone who cooks, you know, you can target towards them. The men one, anyone who's a man, there's a massive audience here to be able to target and for you to be able to do it. So yeah, basically, quite self-explanatory. You stick it to the mirror, you shave, and all the bits from the shaver doesn't go everywhere. If your mum or your wife or your missus or anyone complains, it's usually girls who complain, it's never usually the lads. No sexism there, it's just that lads are never really too bothered, but sometimes they are. So if you don't want to get shavings everywhere, do you know what I mean, or you don't want to get your mum or your wife to, you know, bollock you basically for basically leaving your hair everywhere, then this is a brilliant one for you to use. And obviously you can use what I've just said then to target it towards the audience you want to target it towards, and that being men, you can target it towards young men and go like, your mum. Do you ever get annoyed at your mum having a go at you? Do you know what I mean? You can target it like that. So brilliant product, quite cheap, nothing much else I've got to say about it. Just, you know, you've got to use it, bro, come on. You got to use it. Okay, now we're going to go on to the next one. This next one is a utility belt. Now, again, quite a saturated product, but you've got 12,000 reviews here to go off. And basically, this is a belt that can be targeted towards pretty much any men. It's meant for any men or any women as well. It's meant for outdoor activities. It's coming up with Marine Corps here, but obviously it's not just for that. Basically, it's a detachable buckle that automatically, easily straps around your waist and keeps your pants up tight without having... You know, this is one of the reasons I actually don't wear belts. This is why I actually found this product to be quite good. One of the reasons I don't wear belts is just the annoyance of unclipping your belt to go to the toilet, or to unclipping your belt at the end of the day. Do you know what I mean? You have to put it together, and you have to... It's just so annoying, do you know what I mean? It just takes ages to put together. It doesn't take ages, but it's one of these things about belts. They're annoying, you know what I mean? They just make it such an inconvenience to not have. Whereas this is brilliant. You just literally clip it off, clip it back on, and it's easy for convenience. It's the way you can market it. It's just really simple for convenience, you know what I mean? It's probably one of the best, if you know what I mean. There's so many variants of this product, and again, it's quite cheap, so you can target it to a wide range of people. And it's more of a tactical belt. It's being used for like people that are outdoors. I don't know what this means. Obviously, the images are not really the best here. Don't get hurt and get depressed after all. I don't get what that meant to mean, to be honest, but but basically it's just very simple to do. So it's an alloy buckle. You basically just strap it around, plug it in, and then it just keeps it at a tight level so your pants don't fall down. I just seen this product before. I was like, I need one of these. And when I think I need one of these, or I know someone who will want these, then I know it's going to be a good product. This is why, one of the reasons why it's got 36,000 orders, and it's just being sold everywhere at the moment. So this is food for thought. Go get it right now. This next one is a smartphone gimbal rig tripod thing. Basically, obviously, one of the things, it doesn't come with the Rode mic, which is annoying because you got to specify it doesn't come with a Rode mic. But one of the brilliant things about this is that it's just simple. Do you know what I mean? And also, you've got so many ways to target this product. One of the ways is targeting it towards filmmakers, budget YouTubers, people that are just starting out. I would want this for myself, and I don't even have it with me, but I have a decent camera. I already have like a 4K camera with a similar rig to this, with the light on and the microphone and everything else like that. And basically it keeps it all in a similar thing. But one of the brilliant things about this is that it's a gimbal. You can hold it. It keeps the camera stable. It's not really like a proper gimbal, you know. It's not like amazing, you know what I mean? But it's best for filmmaking. You can obviously put the lens on the camera here. Let me just clarify for you. Don't really know if this comes with the lens. But you get to customize it, so you can obviously just put the microphone on here, then you can put the light on next to it, and you can sort of customize really what you want. But this is perfect for filming. This is all you need, and you can target this towards any YouTuber. A YouTuber that's just, you know, that's big could probably use this as well. I'd use this. Do you know what I mean? You can even have another phone on top. Don't know why you would, but just if you really want to, you can put 2 lights on top. This is probably the best little design I've seen here. You put 2 lines on top. You put your microphone into here. You just plug the microphone in, and then you've got these 2 little lights on the top of it. It's perfect. And you get your little lens on the actual camera as well. That's perfect. I believe you can use it for any phone. It's just sort of like it's like a normal mount. You can see this little ring light here. You put light on me. It's like one of these lights. There's this little sort of mount here that just clips onto your phone. So it's any phone, compatible with most smartphones, with or without a case, from 2-inch to 3.5-inch wide. As a professional video rig, everything. It's not just for iPhones. Obviously, it can be used for smartphones as well. And just the way you can hold it, brilliant. And I'd personally buy this product. And it's one of these products that's not really too oversaturated. I've got 748 orders. And it's one of these products that you could probably sell for a lot of money as well. So it comes with some LED lights with it already. So this is one of the brilliant parts about it. So you could just sell 1 or 2. And then you've got this sort of, I believe this is a mic as well. And then you get this mic with it as well. But obviously if you want like a Rode mic or something, you're going to pay a bit more. But you could just buy the rig itself and then just attach anything that you've got onto it as well. Brilliant, a brilliant product. Really highly recommend this one. And it'd be great because this one's more of a niche one, so you could target it towards certain audience that really, I've never seen this product before until I started looking around, trying to see what's doing well. This is doing well at the moment, so for a lot of other people in the dropshipping industry, definitely get onto this. Right, you've stuck around for the high ticket product. Well done. Give yourselves a round of applause because we are onto this. A mini portable actual projector. Brilliant. And I believe that it is, no, let me double check how it works. Let me just double check how it works. So I've seen this before and I was like, wow. You can connect your smartphone to it. I don't know how you connect to it. It is a wireless connection. I think it's AirPlay. So it's AirPlay or it's mirroring screen, or for Android OS devices, you can also connect your your computer and everything to it as well with AirPlay, or just some sort of mirroring screen app if you've never heard of that before. But yeah, it's an AirPlay, and basically all you can do is, let's say you don't want a TV for some reason, maybe you don't want a TV, or maybe you don't have a smart TV. You can now use this product, just literally put it down anywhere. Or let's say you're going camping, you're going outdoors, you can bring this with you, literally just use some outdoor things. This would be a great setup. This would be amazing. So you could just chill outside with this actual Bluetooth projector, pointing it towards something. I keep saying Bluetooth, but it's not Bluetooth. This mini portable projector, literally you could put it against anything, and it'd just be the best. If you're outside camping and in the night time, you could put it against a wall of something, and this would then play anything you want. So you could play YouTube, you could play Netflix, anything. And I believe it's, how much battery life has it got? This is one of the brilliant parts about it. So you can either plug it in and charge it. It's got a my English just didn't work for me then. A 5,200 mega amp lithium ion battery. Also the Wi-Fi system as well. This is what you'll need for it. But yeah, man, this is probably one of the best things about it. You can probably have it up to, did it say up to 100 inch then? 150 inch. You can have it up to 150 inch, 16 by 10. This is brilliant. And not only can you put it on a table, put it on a stand, put it on a tripod, let's talk about the money you can make, okay? This is what I thought I'll do with this trending product thing. I'll promote the product, be like, this is amazing, and then be like, by the way, this is amazing. We're gonna talk about the price here. This is why it's amazing, because you can earn so much money from it. So much money. You could sell this product for a good price. You could probably sell this for 3 times the amount. I believe there's a discount on it at the moment, 50% discount. So this is the original price, so don't get yourself twisted. It could cost a bit more. But have a shop around, see which is actually best. But this actual idea of a mini portable projector, you just get a couple of sales from this, put it at a sort of 2x profit margin. Oof. You're making a lot of money, and this would be worth advertising, so you could probably scale this product. Because you don't really need too many sales to make a lot of money. So this really works because I'd buy this product any day. I'd buy it any day. So, little gadgets like this, it can be targeted to a lot of people. A lot of people will use it. So that's been the whole entire video. Make sure you check out all these products. You can just by checking them. If you want to check them out, I'm not going to leave the AliExpress links, but basically, if you want to check them out, just go back onto each one of these sections of the video. Just type in this section into AliExpress, and you'll be able to find these products, and then you'll be able to dropship them. Or go to your dropshipping supplier and either source them or see if they've already got them, and you'll be up and away. So have a blessed April, guys. Can't wait to see you all get some cha-ching in and just get them sales in. Leave a like in this video if this has helped you in any way, shape or form. Comment down below what money-making tips would you like to learn, mental techniques, mindset techniques, or even just the actual techniques in general. And I'll do my best to help you with anything in regards to that. Subscribe for more money-making tips, as I said, and thank you again for watching. I'll see you later.